Good morning. Before introduction of 1956 Hindu Succession Act, the Hindus were permitted to marry many number, unlimited number. But the solemnization of marriage should be within the definition of Hindu Shastra. Therefore, out of that wedlock, if any children born, they are considered as legitimate children. And extramarital relationship without performing any marriage or abducting or securing or detaining another man's wife and the children born out of them are considered as illegitimate children. And the illegitimate children were only given maintenance and they are not at all entitled for any property, either personal property of the person or co-personal joint family property. But after 1956, the illegitimate children are entitled for the self-acquired property of the Hindu male dying intestate as well as Hindu female dying intestate. But so far co-personal property is concerned, the illegitimate children are not entitled. But this question of illegitimate children or legitimate children, the Supreme Court time and again categorically stated that the children never intend to be born for that particular parents. It was the parents who committing offense or crime or breaching the statute law, solemnizing second marriage or cohabiting with a woman without proper marriage, and the children never be illegitimate. Therefore, they say all the children born are legitimate children. So this slowly developed step by step, and recent judgment says that when during the substance of first wife, the second wife children claims compassionate appointment on demise of their father, and there was a circular prohibiting illegitimate children claiming compassionate appointment. The court said, no, this is not correct. Court has said that this is not correct proposition of law in view of section 16 of the Hindu Succession Act. This is most important. This is AR 2019 Supreme Court 666, Union of India versus V.R. Tirupati. The policy of compassionate appointment is premised on the death of an employee while in harness. Death of an employee is liable to render the family in a position to financial hardship and need. Compassionate appointment is intended to alleviate the hardship that family of deceased employee may face upon premature death while in service. Therefore, the compassionate appointment in otherwise not founded merely on parentage or descent or public employment must be consistent with the equality of opportunity which under Article 16 of the Constitution guaranteed. Hence, they say the employer must have rules or a scheme which envisage such appointment. It is in that sense that a right principle of law that there is no right to compassionate appointment even when there is scheme of compassionate appointment. An application for engagement can only be considered in accordance with this and subject to fulfilling the conditions, rule or the scheme. In section 16(1) Hindu Marriage Act, the legislature has stipulated that a child born from marriage which is null and void under section 11 is legitimate, regardless whether the birth has taken place before or after the commencement of Act 60 of 1976. So, it is a matter of public policy so as to protect child from such marriage from suffering consequences of illegitimacy. So this is what they said. The circular issued by the is violation of Article 14 because it excludes such a child from seeking benefit of compassionate appointment. Then says that there were two categories between one class of legitimate children, other one illegitimate children. So that is also is illegal. Therefore, they quashed the circular. Then they have discussed about the railway circular dated 2nd January 1991 and several decisions earlier decided AR 2000 SC 735 Rameshwari Devi case and wherein Namita Goldar. So many cases. Recently also Supreme Court said that claiming of compassionate appointment is not matter of right because it has got some other consequences. But this judgment is something totally different on scope of Article 14-16 and Section 16 of the Hindu Succession Act. They say, therefore, they say issue essentially is whether it is open to an employer who is amenable to Part 3 of the Constitution to deny the benefit of compassionate appointment which is available to other legitimate children. So this way they have interpreted and several judgments of Supreme Court were discussed and finally they have said that the Railway Board circular is ultra virus and the division bench followed in the Madras High Court in view of the Calcutta High Court Namita Goldar in Union India versus M. Karun Bhai. That was since that SLP was dismissed. They say that this judgment is hold good. Namita Goldar case. Therefore, then they say second marriage was not permissible under Muslim personal law. There is no merit in the appeal. However, they have for compassionate appointment they direct to consider it within 3 months. Here, both the wives have entered into compromise to share the service benefit arising out of death of her husband was also there. So that you have to go through this judgment and it is far better that this judgment would help you in deciding so many cases which may come to your. So this is a three-bench judge, Dr. Dhananjaya Chandrachud and division bench, M.R. Shah judgment, several judgments, 8 judgments were referred. So one thing is that if a similar circular is issued by any other department, you can by referring this judgment can very well quash that circular also and extend your legal knowledge and to lift that person from out of bail to get employment on compassionate ground. So the compassionate appointment is the very sickening cases. The clients always after filing compassionate appointment petitions or cases they were allowed to wait for a lot. Thereafter the merit related points are being introduced and for that also they have to fight day and night and advocates must be very careful about even for merit related points. You must also at the time of preparing petitions for compassionate appointment, you should be careful with merit related points so that you can draft to get secure merit related points sufficient to get employment on compassionate and simply because of this aggressive attitude of siblings of same tree, you do not draft that petitions if it may affect even that person to get the employment or allowing his other sibling to get employment. So be careful in preparing the drafting for compassionate appointment. Best wishes.